This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Toyota Tacoma. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full. This ensures an accurate starting point. Next, mark the wall with tape to show the center and height of each headlight beam. This preparation is crucial for precise adjustments. Now, let's find the adjustment screws. Open your Tacoma's hood and look at the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically find 2 screws per headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, usually located on the top of the assembly. The other manages the horizontal aim, often found on the side. A Phillips head screwdriver is usually all you need for these adjustments. With the adjustment screws located, let's fine-tune the vertical aim. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise or counterclockwise will raise or lower the beam. Aim for the top of the low beam cutoff line to be about 2 inches below your marked center line on the wall. Do this for both headlights, making sure they are level with each other. Finally, adjust the horizontal aim. Turn the horizontal screw to move the beam left or right. You want the brightest part of the beam to align directly with the vertical center mark you made on the wall. After both adjustments, take your Tacoma for a short drive to confirm the new aim. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Proper headlight aim improves safety for everyone on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.